Welcome to this presentation. We're looking at the subject, should we introduce cloud-based collaborative tools into AWIS's business operations? Well, what is cloud computing? Well, cloud computing is large-scale internet-based computing allowing on-demand access through shared computing resources. Cloud-based services are free or low cost to users, and so millions of ordinary people and organizations can share information, things like words, pictures, voices, data, instantly and globally. Organizations don't have to buy new equipment or employ staff as computing needs increase. They can scale up readily. However, data is stored on servers at third-party data centers, so care is needed with data security. Well, AWIS has 25 branches spread all around Australia. They vary a lot, but they all do work which involves finding, receiving and exchanging information. This presentation analyses 5 cloud-based computing tools and products which have the potential to make information work more interesting and more productive. They are Slack, Skype, Trello, Dropbox, and Vimeo. Slack has many features, and I won't go into all of them in this presentation. You've got the information on the slides, and they can be looked at. But briefly, Slack is a cloud-based team collaboration tool. It enables conversations between participants to be recorded and searched in the future, and so on. It's a very useful tool. This slide shows a typical Slack page, comments from various people, the dates. On the left-hand side are the channels. The second product we're looking at is Skype, which is a voice chat or video conferencing tool. We quite often see Skype on television programs with reporters from overseas and so on and so forth. It can be just on a voice basis or with the pictures as well. It's essentially free, although as with a number of these products, there is a paid service as well, which allows various upgrades, and that can be a matter for decision later on. Using Skype, you can have conferences with several participants or just one person. You can use it at your desk or on a mobile device. It may require a web camera or a microphone depending on the device you have, and calls and messages can be recorded. You can look at the Skype website and find a tutorial. Our third product is Trello, which is a project management tool. This is also free to join. Projects are shown visually on boards onto which are cards which show the actual tasks that people are agreeing to do as part of a project or a process or whatever it might be. It could be a regular thing within the office. This slide shows an example of a Trello project in progress. You can see the dates on which things were to happen. The tasks are put in by people on the team. They can be adjusted. Whenever there's a change, people on the team hear about it. Trello offers online webinars to learn more about their product. Dropbox is a free file hosting service. You can upload large documents and invite others to either read it or to help edit it. You can see the changes made and who made them and when, and the editing can be done in different languages, and you can always see the latest version of a document, and everyone involved can see that, rather than handling many documents and losing track. This shows a typical Dropbox group. You can see the members there in the coloured symbols, and you can see the documents that have been uploaded. Our last service is Vimeo, which is a video sharing service. This allows video, short films to be uploaded. It also teaches people to make films. There are tutorials, and the atmosphere of this service is very professional. It's free of advertisements. It could be very useful to some AWIS staff to promote services and products. This is the Vimeo uploading screen for videos. Well, here are just a few suggestions about how the way we do things in the office at the moment, our current practice, could be assisted by using these 5 cloud-based applications that I've been talking about. Each could be very useful ways of making work more interesting, more productive, more effective, and I recommend that each of them is looked at in the future. Thank you.